Hey everyone, this is Julie with Heard That. We're at my dad's house. We were here Monday just fixing up some stuff, and now we're back again just tying up the loose ends. We're going to be interviewing a realtor on Friday, so we're just trying to get it all cleaned up and everything. They came out and mowed. Everything looks really good. Randy's up there fixing the lights. He's being handy Randy. Right, Randy?
Keep the birds away from me.
Are they attacking you?
Yeah.
So what it was, there was a speaker wire hanging down from that and one over here. So we decided to put that back up and put a little cover on it. Makes it look better than something hanging down. But this is what Randy's talking about. Is there birds in there?
I don't know.
Look in there. Take the camera with you.
Keep mom and daddy away from me.
Where is it? Where are the mom and dad? I think I hear something. See if they're in there. There's one right there.
Oh yeah, there's one right there.
There's a baby.
Yeah.
The mama's looking. I think the daddy's
A bunch of
fixing it.
babies.
Bunch of babies?
There's like 3 or 4.
But I think everything's done in this room. Probably need to do something with those wires. Oh no. Looks like there's dirt daubers on that curtain. That doesn't look good. I need to take those home and wash them. And in this bathroom, I think everything's pretty much done. In here, the shower's cleaned. And then we have a cedar closet that Randy built when we lived here. He did a great job, didn't he, y'all? Yeah, that's all cedar. Keeps the bugs away. And so there's just a few little items downstairs. This room I think is pretty much done. Yeah. Oh, Randy hung those pictures up. Didn't even know he did that. Did that. And so in here, we fixed this seam here. And then we got halfway done with the baseboards, and Tom came and finished the rest over here on this side. And then Randy did this over here on this side. And then to give this wall a little bit of something so it's not so plain, me and Rhonda thought we would put the boards like that to give it a little bit of character. So tell me what y'all think about that. And Randy, what are you doing? In here? Nothing. Okay, so I thought Randy was in here. But on this, we put this up the other day. It's just a board that sort of just gives it a little bit character on the shower. Y'all let me know how you like that. We're trying to give the house just a little bit of character. We still got to finish the baseboards around here. So, yeah. So that's what we're doing here. Y'all let me know how you like that wall. You think that was a good thing to do or not such a good thing to do? Then, in the kitchen, I think it's pretty much done. I know Tristan wanted to come and finish some of the trim work. We might still need to do that because that doesn't look good up there. That's an eyesore, so we might have to do something with that. And then Tristan was putting on these corner rounds, so we got to finish that out because that's just like that. But once we finish, it's going to be like, it'll look like that. Well, you can tell more on this one. It'll look like that all the way up. So that looks a lot better than that, don't you think? And then in here, Randy got this done the other day. Forgot where all the lights are. So we put that trim up here. We hadn't finished it here. So that needs to be done. I don't know what my dad did here. I don't know how to fix that. If y'all have any suggestions, let me know about that. But other than that, I think we're pretty much done. We put the table and umbrella back out here. In the shop, go out here. Y'all see that lake out there? Not a lake, it's a pond. Ouch. I think something stung me. Ow! Something stung me on the bottom of my foot. But we got to pick up this. Animals got in that trash, so I've got to pick all that up. Ouch. Trash in the yard. So over here, me and Rhonda painted that, the gray, and we got to finish that up there. It's overspray. And then in here, trying to get this, I got to come back in the morning because we forgot the blower. But the tables were like this. It wasn't just overspray from painting, so I'm painting everything gray just to make it look a little better. And then I'll come in the morning and blow everything out. So I probably won't paint this one because it's like a new board anyway. But tell me what you think about the gray that I'm painting. I think it helps a little bit. So got to do that. And then one other last thing is just to burn the trash. Tom, Randy, and Tristan put some new, insulation was all hanging out of this back side of Dad's shop. So Tristan put some new insulation up there, nailed it. So it's not the best, but it will work. Somebody buys this house, they're going to have to get a new roof and all that on there because that roof is not good at all. But we got to trim where Dad put some boards there. Got to trim it to make it even. But other than that, I think we'll be done. But yeah, it's a lot. It's 10 acres here and it's a lot to take care of. And well, anxious to get it sold. I know it's a heartache because this is not what we wanted to do, is sell this. But we have a house in close to Rockwall. Ron and Tom has a house. And it's just too much to take care of it. Money and just everything. Trees are always falling here. But it would be a great place to raise a family, have it for Airbnb, a rental place, just a vacation home, because we're only 5 minutes from Lake Cypress and about 15 from Lake Bob Sandlin and about 30 minutes from Lake Fork. So we're close to everything, but the land goes all the way out there, all the way to the road, across, back over there. That pond right there is a stock pond. Then we have a little dock right there, little pier. But Mama's little plant is blooming. It's pretty. This right here, we call it a tulip tree because when it blooms, it looks like a bunch of little tulips. It's beautiful. And then you got your dogwoods out there. Is it dogwood? I think it's dogwood. Don't quote me on that. Crepe myrtles, that's what it is. Crepe myrtles. And they bloom in pink and purple. But yeah, and then here we had like a little fire pit. We had 4 posts with string lights here, and then we had the fire pit, and it looked good. And then here we were going to put the hot tub and all that, and then do both sides like we did the back side, and sort of enclose that. So it is sad to try to be selling it, but You got to do what you got to do. So that's what we're working on today. Y'all please like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs like. Leave a comment. Let me know if you like that wall that me and Rhonda came up with and like what we're doing so far. But please like and subscribe. And also go over to Heard That Outdoors. Randy's going to be doing some fishing videos and some hunting videos. So if you'll go to Heard That Outdoors and subscribe to him, I'd appreciate it. Thanks, everyone. Bye, y'all.